Alright, so I went to Hobby Lobby and got some fabric. These are sample fabrics, which was like $2.49, which is cool. This is some sample fabric too, and it's $5.99. And I got these felts to practice on and make my sample shirt kind of look like, it'll look like t-shirts once I fold them up and put the designs and stuff on them. But this is called felt, and you can find this at Hobby Lobby as well. It's like $5.99 each. I got white and black because I'm going to do black and white shirts, and these are just going to be for my samples. But yeah, that's my Hobby Lobby haul for today. So I have my cutaway stabilizer. I have my felt, because this is just going to be for my sample. And then I have my fabric for my number 1. And then my thread. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is detach my UBS. Alright, so you have to save your image to a UBS. Mine is a PES, and for BX is for font. So that's for the Brother Embroidery SE600. So I'm just going to put this into my machine really quick. So now I'm going to loop. These are the loops. I mean the hoops. So I'm going to hoop the image. It's easy if you're doing it like this, but when you're doing a shirt to hoop it, it's kind of difficult. I'll show you how to do that. But first, what you want to do is lay this on the bottom. You're going to have your cutaway or tearaway or heat bond stabilizer. You're going to have your shirt or whatever type of fabric, your well, not fabric, but like your shirt, hoodie, or whatever that you're doing will go like that. Now there are like arrows on here, so you can line it up, and then you'll just line the arrow in just like that, and we just want to make sure it's in there tight. You can unwind it. See this part right here? The second stitch, it was supposed to lay over, and then after a stitch I was supposed to take it off and cut it, and then the border part right here would have covered all that up. But I'm still practicing, so now I know next time. But I'm gonna put the name on there now. I have to change the thread and do the name now. Oh, and I just messed up the. You know what? I'm just gonna wait till I'm done because this is. Alright, I'm about to put it back on, change my thread, and do the name real quick. Okay, so I stopped this one because I'm just gonna redo it. I messed this. Well, I didn't mess the letters up, but this part I don't like. I'm gonna do it over. Alright, so this is the finished project after I cut the jump stitches out, and this is the one I messed up. As you can see, the border looks way better.